self-justification ang tunay na impyerno. So, when we hear the word impyerno, ang lagi natin naiisip lagi parang nasa baba or nasa ibang dimensyon. But I believe that hell or impyerno is a psychological state. At ano yung psychological state na yun? That is what I call self-justification. Ang tanong, ano naman ang self-justification? I remember when I still call myself depressed, I realized na kaya ako tinatawag yung sarili kong depressed kasi yun yung pang-justify ko kung bakit pwede akong walang gawin eh. Na I am depressed and I don't want to get out of this. At that time, I realized na parang kung iisipin ko lang ngayon, naiisip ko na like I'm just justifying the negative state. Like if I really want to like get out of it, I can get out of it. Na parang gina-justify ko lang siya and alam mo yun, yung parang lately mo, ngayon mo na lang marirealize na parang, kung hindi ako nakaalis dun sa self-justification phase ko, kung saan na, wala nang pag-asa, wala na kasi ganito, niloko ako ng mga kaibigan ko, kaya wala na ako magiging kaibigan, wala na ako, malungkot na ako, o ganito. Alam mo yun, yung pag ginastify mo yung hell, and yun yung tunay na impyerno. I mean, wala nang impyerno aside from that, and I believe you've experienced your own impyerno as well, right? So, yun lang. I'm still developing the idea. Like I'm thinking of writing an essay about this idea. If I know it can help you because it definitely helps me to like get out of the cycle na wala na makakatulong sa akin, wala na pag-asa. Because ang lagi ko nga sinasabi, yung substance ng hindi mo kaya yan has the same substance na pushpa. Parehas lang sila. Yung substance galing sa encouragement is same substance na naririnig mo sa self-doubt. They're just the same. They're just one. So if they're just one, it is you, the awareness of being, who can mold this. Okay? So, yun lang. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comments.